Why is car shaking when idle? You could be concerned that there is a significant issue if your car begins to shake when it is idle. The good news is that the majority of these possible causes are cheap to rectify and don't pose a special hazard to your car. Unfortunately, identifying the root of this issue often requires a lot of speculation with trial and error. Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into a common concern among car owners. Why is my car shaking when idle? Let's get to the bottom of this issue. Is it common for a vehicle to experience vibrations when stationary? There's nothing wrong with a little vibration. Most gas-powered cars typically vibrate little when stopped or at idle, which is very normal. The sensation you're experiencing could be the result of the ground not being precisely flat or passive engine vibration. If you don't experience any additional symptoms and the vibration isn't too strong, it probably isn't anything. Why does a car shake at idle? 1. Defective spark plugs. The engine shaking is probably a clue that your spark plugs are failing if you detect rattling sounds and a frenzied RPM needle while idling. Your engine depends on the spark plugs to supply the ignition it requires to burn the gas, therefore if one of them fails, your engine will react badly. 2. Faulty or damaged engine mount. Your engine is supported in place by a frame called an engine mount. It is intended to dampen the normal engine vibrations, so if it is broken or starting to fail, your car may shake erratically. A poor mount will put a lot of stress on your vehicle's other components. Over time, this could cause significant harm to your engine bay. 3. Unsecured battery cables. Your vehicle might not be receiving the charge it needs to function properly if one of your battery wires is just a little bit loosely connected to the terminal. Additionally, you could find that your car takes longer to start or that your headlights flicker occasionally. Are you finding this video helpful? If so, show your support by hitting that subscribe button. Stay connected for more insightful automotive content. Now, let's continue. 4. Missing or loose gas cap. This was probably the cause of your problems if your check engine light is on and it goes out when you replace or tighten your gas cap. It's possible for air to enter your gasoline lines if your gas cap is missing or loose. When you're idle, this air may cause your engine to tremble somewhat. 5. Throttle body or sensor wear. A little housing known as the throttle body links your fuel line to your engine. It is in charge of managing the amount of air that enters your engine to manage combustion. Your engine's idle speed won't seem accurate and you'll probably experience some shaking if the sensors on the throttle body are malfunctioning or the component is simply damaged. 6. Issue with catalytic converter. Essentially a filter, your catalytic converter removes harmful poisons and compounds from your exhaust. If it is not adequately filtering the exhaust, buildups may result in your car rattling when it is idling. 7. Slipped or damaged belt. Your engine bay's serpentine belt drives a variety of pumps, steering lines, fans, and other devices. The steering wheel may vibrate if the belt is out of alignment or just a little bit off course because it is powered by your engine. Is it risky to operate a vehicle that shakes while idling? It's probably not risky, but it's still worth investigating shortly. You should be able to drive it to the mechanic or make a few brief journeys, with the possible exception of a serpentine belt snapping owing to misalignment. You won't likely be in immediate danger from most of these potential problems, but they will all harm your engine over time. So, there you have it, the insights into why your car might be shaking when idle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive knowledge. Thanks for tuning in.